Hello students, welcome back to your geography class. Shall we continue our today's class? Of course. Thank you for the approval. So today we are going to discuss the exercise part of chapter number 1 that we have recently completed. So the question answers always starts with the MCQ part. I hope you do know by this point as you have come in 9th class. So in the 8th class also similar kind of pattern is to be there. So here is our question number 1 for the MCQ or correct the choose answer part. So the Tropic of Cancer does not passes through either of which state. So it passes through Rajasthan, it passes through Chhattisgarh and Tripura as well. But it doesn't passes through Odisha. So our answer will be Odisha. Next question. The easternmost longitude of India is, we are talking about the easternmost extent. So this is the westernmost and this is the easternmost. So 97 degrees 25 nauticals east. Question number 3. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers. They do share their boundaries with either or nations over here. So our common nation that share its frontiers or boundaries with all these states is Nepal. Next question. If you intend to visit Kavarati, that is the capital of a particular group of islands, and that is going to be the answer. So if you intend to visit Kavarati during the summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? So we are going to visit Lakshadweep because Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. So Bhutan does shares, Bangladesh does too, Nepal too as well. So our answer is Tajikistan, that is ahead of Pakistan, Afghanistan part. Question number 2, answer the following. So it comprises 1, 2 and multiple marks question. Multiple means 3 or 5. So name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. We are talking about the western water body of the eastern water body of India. We are talking about the western part. So the water body comprises Lakshadweep Island. Next question. Name the countries which are larger than India. So India ranks on the 7th place. So it means we do have 6 further nations that do have, larger extension of their geographical territory of the geographical area. So Russia is the largest one, then 5 comes in between. So Russia the largest one, then comes Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. And afterward comes India on the 7th place. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? So we are talking about the eastern water body that comprises Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? So 2, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Question number 3. Now this is the concept base. If the concept of longitude, latitude is already clear to you, that might be, it is there. So the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to the Gujarat in the west. But the watch shows the same time. So if we are talking about the time part, so certainly we are talking about the standard meridian of India. That is considered on the 82.5 degree east part. So this happens because the standard meridian of India, 82.5, that means 30 nautical east is used as the standard time for the entire country. As we know that for an entire nation, an individual standard meridian is to be considered, but not in every case, as we know that Russia is the largest country all over the world. So it is divided into 10 to 11. Might be more than that. So roughly I'm telling you, it is divided in multiple time zones, but not in India. So India is divided into single time zone only. So no matter we are standing or we are present in either north, south, east, west or the central part of India, the time will be considered same. So for the entire country, ensuring uniformity despite the time difference caused by the longitudinal extent. We know that there is a time lag of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat's concept of time, but yet the time will be considered same. As in, if there are, it is 4 o'clock within the Arunachal Pradesh, it will be 4 o'clock in the Gujarat as well. Just for the convenience of the humankind and to maintain the uniformity of an individual nation. Last question for the day. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. So why India's geographical location within the Indian Ocean is important, prominent? So we have to discuss why. So India's central location connects East Asia and West Asia. So it lies almost at the central part for that concern. So the Deccan Peninsula extends into the Indian Ocean. That makes it approachable through various parts of the world. So the Deccan Peninsula extends into the Indian Ocean, allowing close contact with West Asia, Africa, Europe from the west, Southeast and East Asia from the east. Along with that, India's prominent position in the Indian Ocean facilitates, enhances trade and cultural exchanges, not from now, since centuries, since, India came into a region, or we can consider the trade came into a region. So that was all about the exercise part. In the upcoming class, we are going to discuss extra questions. Till then, you can learn these questions because each and every question is important for your exam part. So see you soon within the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.